Hello, this is Colin, and today I'm trying another new tea that I got at Love Cravings just down in Olympic Village. Now, I bought this because of the name, Arctic Raspberry, which I thought was, well, sometimes these tea companies, they come up with these spurious names for teas, and I was thinking, raspberries don't grow in the Arctic, of course, and well, I have to find out. Will it chill me? Is there something actually Arctic about this raspberry as some ingredient? And then I thought, well, maybe I should look closer into it. And apparently the Arctic raspberry is a real plant. It's a real thing. It's not a raspberry plant. It is an Arctic raspberry plant. Also known, I have a few notes here, as the Rubus arcticus, a bramble of the rose family. Also known as the nagoon or the nagoon berry, which is after the Kinglet word for the berry, which is Niegoon. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. But apparently this Arctic raspberry does indeed grow in the Pacific Northwest, Alaska, all across the Northern Hemisphere. Apparently it's native to places like Scandinavia. In Sweden, and it's known as the Ackerbar. And in Russia, it is Nyaz Hennik, Princess of Berries. Also, Poland, Mongolia, Northeast China, North Korea, the Baltic states, and a few of the northern states like Michigan and whatnot in the United States. So, yeah, it's quite a small berry, but here it is in a tea, and it's quite nice. When I first bought it, you take the smell test, and as the woman said, it's actually smells stronger than it is when you drink it. So I'm drinking it now for the first time, and it's still quite noticeable. I mean, it's not like when I was talking about the apple, where the apple was very subtle. It's much more noticeable that there is a flavor here, quite a sweet flavor, quite a nice flavor. Not exactly what I would call a raspberry flavor as we might know it. But still, a pleasant enough tea. So I'm giving it a try for the first time on today, where it was announced that the HMS Terror has been discovered. The Terror was one of the ships on the Franklin expedition looking for the Northwest Passage over Canada that got caught in the ice and everybody died, and it was horrible, and you gotta wonder, why did they even bother? Anyway, I think it was 2 years ago they found the Erebus, which was the other ship, and just today, following a clue that was given to them by an Inuit who said that he had seen a ship's mast in the area, they went to a place called Terror Bay, where the Terror was. Now, I know it's a weird kind of coincidence that nobody thought, the name Terror Bay apparently had something to do with the Franklin expedition, I believe, but not directly that the Terror was there. But yes, the Terror is at the bottom of Terror Bay, they think, in a state of marvelous preservation. So in honor of, memory of Franklin and his crew, and to congratulate the discovery of the Terror, here we are, Arctic raspberry, an actual plant. Cheers.